just about there, folks. I finished up on the door. I just got to get a piece of mirror for in here now. I went ahead, I put the hinges on.
Trust me, you don't want the boy in the clean creating that long. So tap Val, take Lewis to your office. I'll meet you there at 4.
Here, let me give you my business card.
The finish isn't done yet. I didn't do any polishing, so this is going to be a lot. You'll see.
Yeah,
It's going to be a lot nicer.
This is Windsor's.
And this too. I'm still in the middle of doing that, but I like it, man. And then I put magnets on here, so
Saw you filming in there. What's your name?
opens up nice now.
Sticks.
I did the shelves.
Yeah,
The front's just mahogany the way I did the top.
How much they pay for what you shot in there?
That depends. 750.
This one's just sitting there. I'm not sure where it's going to go yet. So,
Too short? Let's make it
what do you guys think?
That's yours.
So,
Not bad, right?
Of course. Absolutely.
Thank you,
Both
Sticks.
hinges.
Thank you.
I always liked hinges like that.
You know, Mr. Fowler, you aren't my choice.
I bet I
Pretty
was.
good, man.
A firm like yours must have some heavy hitters on call.
We do? But Lewis insisted. Frankly, I've never heard of you.
Also, what I have,
Maybe I should have.
this is going to go on the top.
Yes.
And I'll put this LED light right in the middle. So,
I need $100,000 up front.
I'm not going to be able to put it on there now because it's kind of balancing on, I just kind of hold it up there. You get an idea. See? And then it's going to have the light right under it shining right down. So we're going to do that tomorrow. The whole thing is all mahogany end grain.
We'll be heading now.
Nice.
We're going to meet Sticks at Jim's.
That same spot?
Alright guys, almost done with this project. Well, like I said, that's going to go up like another 6 inches. And I'm going to have this probably right where it is.
There it is.
Off to the side.
There we go.
You could put those off center as long as it looks deliberate. You know, so. It's all done, folks. Fun project. Till the next one. Later, y'all.